Okay, wait! Before you scroll past, I made this bag in one sitting and I'm obsessed. If you've been wanting to make your own crochet bag but had no idea where to start, this one's for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Moomoo's Journey. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we are making this super cute crochet bag completely from scratch. And I promise, even if you're a total beginner, you absolutely can do this. Let's get into it. So first things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Grab your yarn. I'm using a medium weight yarn, also called worsted weight, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Stitch markers and a pair of scissors. That's literally it. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. All right, let's start with the foundation chain. Go ahead and chain 53. Now, if you're new to chaining, here's how you do it. Make a slip knot first, put it on your hook, then yarn over. That just means wrap the yarn over your hook from back to front and pull it through the loop. That's one chain. Keep going until you count 53 chains. Don't stress if yours looks a little wobbly at first. That is completely normal, and it gets easier the more you do it, I promise. Here's the stitch lineup: 6 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 15 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 6 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 15 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and then 6 more single crochets. It sounds like a lot, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each one. Now we're going into row 2, and this is where it starts to look like something. We're going to skip the very first chain right next to your hook. Just skip it, and then we'll work into the rest. So let's start with the single crochet, or SC. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, and pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet. Do this 6 times in a row. Next up is the half double crochet, or HDC. This one's just one tiny step more. Yarn over first before inserting your hook. Insert into the stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now you've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops at once. Done! That's your half double crochet. Do this once. Put 1 marker on this stitch. Now for the double crochet, or DC, and we need 15 of these. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops. Now 2 loops left. Yarn over one last time and pull through those last 2 loops. That's a double crochet. It sounds like a lot of steps, but once you get the rhythm, it goes really fast. Just repeat this 15 times. Then we go back to 1 HDC, then 6 SC, then 1 HDC, then 15 DC again, then 1 HDC, and finish with 6 SC. Just follow the pattern and you've got row 2 done. Rows 3 all the way through row 23 are exactly the same as row 2. So you're just going to keep repeating that same stitch pattern over and over. This is where your bag body grows. And honestly, this part is so satisfying. Put on a show, play some music, and just vibe while you crochet. You've totally got this. Once you've finished all 23 rows, your bag body is complete. Now we're going to fold it in half so both ends meet together. You'll see your single crochets lining up on each side. Make sure they're matching up nicely. Now, to close the bottom and sides of the bag, we're going to join them together using a slip stitch on both sides. Just insert your hook through both layers at once, yarn over, and pull through. Basic slip stitch. Work your way across to seal the bag shut. This is what gives your bag its shape. Now for the handle, and this part is honestly so fun. Lay your bag flat on the table. Go to one of the top corners and chain 1. Then do 3 single crochets right into the corner stitches. Now turn to the right. Literally rotate your work. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's it. Just keep repeating that same motion, that same simple stitch, over and over until your handle is as long as you want it to be. Once your handle is long enough, connect it to the opposite corner of the bag using a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch on the bag, yarn over, pull through, and that's it. Secure your yarn, cut it, and weave in the end with your hook. And that is your bag. You just crocheted a whole entire bag from scratch, and that is genuinely so amazing. If you make this, please share it with me. Tag me, send me a picture, drop it in the comments. I want to see every single one. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!